We're here at FOWA 2024 with Jonathan Sundin, and he's with All Septic Solutions from Tallahassee, Florida. We just want to get Jonathan's thoughts on the product, the RioVation BioMaze. So Jonathan, first of all, what do you do?
I'm an environmental health specialist. Been installing septic tanks and drain fields for 26 years.
What do you think of the product itself?
I think this is a very great way to approach the homeowner with an affordable repair method that has done me great. I've had 0 callbacks.
That's awesome. That's what we want to hear. So installation's easy. You like the product. The homeowners have been happy.
Super happy. Been getting paid.
That's good. And then what are the results? What have you seen?
The results are mainly happy customers and customers that feel like they can actually invest their trust in you as the contractor. And this is super important right now because there's a lot of fraudulent activity happening. People are going out to sites and they're not doing site work. They're standing with the homeowner for an hour. They're not diagnosing the drain fields. They're not trying to create an actual solution. They're just there to get a new install. And this product allows you to use the current infrastructure that's in place to save the homeowner costs.
That's what it's all about, helping the homeowner. Hey, Jonathan, thanks very much.
Thank you, guys.
All right, take care.